Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to turn off Epic Games notification. To turn off Epic Games notifications, you can simply disable Epic Game notification directly from the Epic Games launcher. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. Open up your Epic Games launcher and make sure that you're signed into your Epic Games account. After you are signed into the main homepage, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the options displayed on the screen, click on the Settings button. Scroll down from the Settings menu and get to Desktop Notification. Uncheck the boxes under Desktop Notifications and make sure that both of the boxes are unchecked, and this will disable the notifications. This might include notifications for games, news, sales, or other updates. Once you've unchecked the desired boxes, you no longer will receive those specific notifications from Epic Games. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.